Welcome to Stack-Light.com. We are happy to introduce the LB Series Linear Status Light. This single light can turn green, red, or yellow. This makes them perfect for use as a status light on machinery or on operator workstations. They are bright and can be viewed with a quick glance. They come in 4 sizes ranging from 11 to 47 inches long. This makes it easy to select the ideal sized light for your application. The lights use modern LED technology to make them energy efficient, bright, and long-lasting. We offer a large variety of industrial lighting. Whether it be a status light, wash-down machine light, or sophisticated wireless visual factory system, we have you covered. Give us a call. A live person eager to help will answer and work with you to find the perfect solution for your project. Call now, and let us be a part of your success.